myself, revive. Okay. I'm dead. Why am I using this piece of shit? I gotta get close to them even hit them.
I didn't even get a play, I just got shot.
Fuck that, I'm not getting my ass shot from him. Yeah. I'm gonna go heal this guy. Fuck.
Is that your own guy?
No. Some guy tried to follow me. Screw you, buddy. Let's run through the smoke.
Which one's the one with the snipe?
Scout. Shit. I knew I was dead there. I couldn't do anything. I had to lay down or something. Medic. I tried to. Sorry. I'm probably dead. I'm so sorry.
I was able to get so many kills too.
One.
No, there's 4 guys there that didn't see me. I had a snipe.
Colton, come this way. She's over here. Come here.
Dude, the guy's against you and you're riding in the same car. How?
I think I just killed a dude with that pistol. That was pretty sweet.
What?
Cool.
Sweet.
I killed
Cool.
a dude with a pistol.
Look it.
I had like...
Right there.
Oh, I took him out. Awesome.
Oh, bitch.
Aww.